Looking to upgrade your car audio and take hands-free calls with ease? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 Bluetooth FM Modulators 2025, the latest and most reliable devices that bring crystal clear music, seamless connectivity, and fast charging to your daily drives. Whether you're a commuter, road tripper, or just love great sound, these picks will transform your ride. All product links are in the description below, and now let's get started with the video. Topping our list at number 1 is the Nulaxy Car Bluetooth FM transmitter. This versatile device is a 2024 upgraded model designed to elevate your in-car audio experience with powerful functionality and smart design. The Nulaxy KM18 features a 1.44-inch LCD that clearly shows information such as incoming phone calls, selected FM channels, music playback, and even car battery voltage. The display is mounted on a flexible gooseneck, allowing users to adjust the angle for optimal visibility and control without distraction while driving. What sets this modulator apart is its built-in noise cancellation and hi-fi sound technology, which delivers clear and uninterrupted audio for both hands-free calling and music streaming. With advanced Bluetooth version 5.0, the transmitter ensures a faster and more stable connection to your devices, eliminating those frustrating moments of disconnection. The hands-free feature is managed with a single multifunctional button that allows you to answer, reject, hang up, or redial calls with ease. This not only ensures smoother control, but also promotes safer driving by letting you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The Nulaxy transmitter supports music input via Bluetooth, TF card, and auxiliary cable, making it highly compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, MP3 players, and more. Whether you drive a 12-volt sedan or a 24-volt truck, this device is designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle. As an added bonus, it comes with a USB car charger for fast device charging on the go. Taking the second spot is the Lencent Bluetooth FM transmitter. Stands out as a smart, compact, and feature-rich option for any driver looking to upgrade their car audio and charging experience. This FM transmitter offers seamless music streaming capabilities with broad format support including WMA, MP3, WAV, APE, and FLAC. You can play your favorite tracks through Bluetooth, a USB flash drive of up to 32 gigabytes, or a micro SD card of the same capacity. Designed with anti-static properties and equipped with advanced CVC clear voice capture technology, the Lencent T25 minimizes noise and wind interference, delivering crystal clear audio whether you're listening to music or taking hands-free calls. The dual USB ports provide intelligent charging with outputs of 5 volts at 2.4 amps and 1 amp, respectively. Built-in safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit protection make this transmitter a reliable solution for charging your devices on the go. What truly enhances the user experience is the integrated hands-free calling and voice navigation. Thanks to Bluetooth stability and echo cancellation, your phone conversations remain sharp and interruption-free. When navigating, the device lets you hear directions from your preferred Maps app clearly through your car speakers. The transmitter also includes a real-time battery voltage monitor, instantly displaying your car's battery health once plugged into the cigarette lighter. To top it all off, a subtle blue ambient LED light surrounds the device, making it easier to find and operate in low-light conditions while adding a modern touch to your car's interior. Claiming the third spot is the Imden Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter, a sleek and powerful addition to any car that combines top-tier audio functionality with advanced safety and charging capabilities. Built with the latest Bluetooth version 5.3, this FM transmitter delivers faster pairing, improved stability, and an extended connection range for all your Bluetooth-enabled devices, whether you are using an iPhone, Android smartphone, tablet, or other gadgets. One of its standout features is the 2-port USB car charger that supports simultaneous charging for 2 devices. Among these, one port is equipped with Quick Charge 3.0 technology, offering compatibility with USB 2.0, Huawei FCP, Type-C, and Samsung's fast charging standards. This enables more than 80% charging efficiency, making sure your devices are ready for use even during short drives. For hands-free communication, the Imden FM transmitter includes a high-performance built-in microphone, enhanced with noise suppression through CVC technology. This ensures that your phone calls remain clear and free from background noise, road hum, or wind interference. The intuitive button control allows you to answer, redial, reject, or end calls effortlessly, all while keeping your focus on the road. When it comes to music playback, this transmitter allows you to enjoy high-fidelity audio by simply inserting a USB flash drive loaded with MP3 files into the designated USB port. It supports a wide range of devices and ensures zero distortion from your original sound source, offering a seamless listening experience. At number 4, the Nulaxy FM Bluetooth transmitter, an advanced and user-friendly device that combines premium functionality with a modern, high-visibility design. Designed to improve both your in-car audio and communication experience, the Nulaxy KM30 Bluetooth car adapter is a powerful tool for hands-free driving and seamless music streaming. One of its most notable features is the large display screen, which provides a spacious and easy-to-read visual interface. The screen shows everything from the currently playing track and FM frequency to the battery voltage and connected Bluetooth device, as well as incoming phone numbers, allowing you to stay informed without diverting your attention from the road. The transmitter also excels in audio clarity thanks to its upgraded and more sensitive built-in microphone that captures your voice more accurately and reduces background noise. This makes hands-free calling not just possible, but actually enjoyable, with clearer voice transmission for both you and the caller. For music lovers, the KM30 offers direct music streaming via Bluetooth, micro SD card, and auxiliary output. What sets this model apart is its customizable treble and bass settings, allowing users to tailor their audio experience based on personal preferences. An added touch is the auto-syncing color spectrum that visually responds to your music, bringing an immersive atmosphere into your vehicle.
Taking the 5th spot is the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter, a premium pick for drivers who demand top-notch performance, superior sound quality, and ultimate convenience in one compact device. This transmitter brings a fresh level of innovation to car audio systems with its advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology, which significantly reduces transmission delays and connection dropouts. The pairing process is instant, completing in just 1 second, and the transmitter auto-connects with your device every time you start your vehicle, eliminating the need for repeated setups. Whether you're making calls or streaming music, the connection remains rock solid and the sound quality remarkably high, with minimal loss or latency. For those who appreciate a dynamic audio atmosphere, Syncwire adds a layer of enjoyment with its hi-fi deep bass feature. Simply press the dedicated B button to activate powerful bass and immersive stereo sound that truly enhances your music. This FM transmitter also features a striking rainbow ambient light that elevates your in-car environment, making night drives visually engaging. If you prefer a more subtle ambience, the lighting can be quickly turned off with a double press of the same button. It's a smart design choice that prioritizes both aesthetics and driver control. Charging is handled efficiently through 2 intelligent USB ports, a high-speed PD 36-watt port, and a standard USB-A 12-watt port. These allow you to charge 2 devices simultaneously while maintaining safe operation thanks to built-in protections including overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature control, and short-circuit safeguards.